Pressure testing gas lines for leaks when cutting and connecting corrugated stainless steel tubing requires surgical care. One wrong cut or over-tightened fitting and you create a leak. When you cut corrugated stainless steel tubing, first use a dedicated tubing cutter sized for thin-wall stainless to get a smooth square cut. Scoring and twisting with a hacksaw leaves burrs and an uneven edge that prevents a proper ferrule seal. After cutting, deburr gently from both inside and outside with a rounded reamer or fine file. Do not thin the wall or create a sharp edge that can nick the ferrule. Always slide the compression nut and ferrule on before fitting, and visually inspect the ferrule for factory defects. Replace any ferrule that shows distortion. Avoid crushing the tubing by supporting the tube against compression when tightening. Use a backup wrench on the fitting body and turn only the nut to the manufacturer's specified torque. Over-tightening flattens the tube profile and causes leaks. Under-tightening leaves gaps. When using flare-type fittings, follow the exact flare angle and use a flaring tool matched to corrugated stainless specifications. Do not try to reuse old flares. Clean all mating surfaces and remove oils and debris with a lint-free cloth and approved solvent. Contamination can hide gaps during pressure testing. Use a calibrated torque wrench and record the torque applied for each connection. Document these values during installation for warranty and inspection. Finally, perform a progressive pressure test. Initial low pressure test with soapy solution to hunt bubbles, then a hold test at operating pressure for the specified duration per code and manufacturer instructions before final restore of service. One of the biggest problems is poor cutting technique, which causes burrs and uneven ends. Fix this with a proper tubing cutter, careful deburring, and an end-face visual check. Search engine optimization keywords. Corrugated stainless steel tubing cutting, tubing deburring, prevent gas leaks. One of the second common mistakes is improper torque and crushed tubing. Use a calibrated torque wrench. Follow manufacturer torque charts and employ a backup wrench to prevent body rotation. Keywords: compression fitting torque, CSST fitting torque, how to torque gas fittings. One of the third frequent issues is ignoring manufacturer instructions and incompatible fittings. Always match ferrule type and flaring spec to the tubing. Never mix supplier components, and confirm certified fittings for natural gas and liquid petroleum propane. Keywords: CSST manufacturer instructions, propane gas fittings, certified gas tubing fittings. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local contractors who are vetted for gas line and corrugated stainless steel tubing work, and it helps homeowners find technicians experienced with proper cutting, torque, and pressure testing. Contractors use the directory to get quality leads and showcase certifications, so homeowners connect with pros who follow manufacturer instructions and safe leak testing protocols.